Right, I put the full map up this time because someone had a hissy fit over the bloody border there. So there you go, Moni Hall. Continuing with the Constitution, the President. There shall be a President of Ireland, hereinafter called the President, who shall take precedence over all other persons in the state, and who shall exercise and perform the powers and functions conferred on the President by this Constitution and by law. The President shall be elected by direct vote of the people. Every citizen who has the right to vote at an election for members of Dáil Éireann shall have the right to vote at an election for the President. The voting shall be by secret ballot and on the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote. The President shall hold office for 7 years from the date upon which he enters his office, unless before expiration of that period he dies or resigns or is removed from office or becomes permanently incapacitated, such incapacity beginning established to the satisfaction of the Supreme Court consisting of not less than 5 judges. A person who holds or who has held office of the President shall be eligible for re-election to that office once, but only once. The election for the office of President shall be held no later than and not earlier than the 6th day before the date of the expiration of the term of office of every President. But in the event of the removal from office of the President, or of his death, resignation, or permanent incapacity established as foresaid, an election for the office of the President shall be held within 60 days after such event. Every citizen who has reached his 35th year of age is eligible for election to the office of President. Every candidate for election, not a former or retiring President, must be nominated by either not less than 20 persons, each of whom is at a time a member of one of the House of the Oireachtas, or by the Council of not less than 4 administrative counties, including county boroughs as defined by law. No person and no such council shall be entitled to subscribe to the nomination of more than one candidate in respect of the same election. Former or retiring presidents may become candidates on their own nomination. Where only one candidate is nominated for the office of President, it shall not be necessary to proceed to the ballot for his election. Subject to provisions of this article, elections for the office of President shall be regulated by law. The President shall not be a member of either House of Oireachtas. If a member of either House of Oireachtas has been elected President, he shall be deemed to vacated his seat in the House. The President shall not hold any other office or position of emolument. Hope I said that word right. Emolument.